Hello, good afternoon and welcome. It's 13:56, nearly 2 o'clock on Sunday afternoon, the 12th of March. And I've come back. I've got a pair that I really like. Out of all the ones that I've looked at, this looks the most interesting. It's the Mexican peso against the Japanese yen. Now, we will be looking for strength in the yen, and there's we're looking for weakness in the Mexican peso, and this is across. It's I got it off the Commitment of Traders. Andrew's done a good report on the AUD USD and the USD CAD, which I'll leave a link to at the beginning or somewhere in this video. It's well worth a watch. He goes into detail and he gives a lot of reasons as to his decisions on this pair. Totally agree with him. But this is the one I decided to look at, and I will be looking at this even more on Monday. But you've got a good move against the trend. You're up against long term. Let me just move that. Here we go. This down. I've moved this down, but this is long term heavy resistance, and this is going back to January 2016. So you can see that this is sort of like it's in an overbought situation. We had this with this downtrend here, and we've been doing sideways movements for quite a while. It's at the top of the range. I really like this short. I really do. So it's 7 pips on the spread on this broker that I'm with, 70 points. The RSI, I've got my my trend line on it, and I'm waiting for it to break the trend line. But I like that. I do for a short over the next couple of weeks. The CFTCs are with it. So we'll be looking at that next week. The other one I liked was the CAD JPY. And I'm also going to be looking at that. You've got the fall in the price of oil, which I don't think has been translated yet into the Canadian dollar, and there will be strength on the yen if the S&P breaks, which again the CFTCs were looking for that. The CFTCs were short the S&P, and that there's a correlation between the S&P and the Japanese yen. The money moving off the S&P obviously sometimes goes to the Japanese yen, which boosts that currency. So yeah, quite excited, happy times. So we'll have a good look at those next week. Thank you for watching, and I'll leave that link for you for Andrew.